Hi and welcome, I'm Chris, and today we're going to be looking at Be Brown by A.S.P. Now this tint has the ability to lift natural or coloured hair on bases 6 and below, and it does it in just 35 minutes. It gives you fantastic browns, chestnuts and toffees without the need to pre-lighten and then tone. So if you want more videos with tips and tricks, why don't you like, subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any. Now let's get to it. Be Brown has the ability to lift natural or coloured hair bases 6 and below without the need to pre-lighten and then tone. You simply have to vary the level of developer depending on how dark your client is or how much colour build-up they have on their hair. So let's just take a little look at how you achieve this. The mixing ratio on all of this is 1:1 and a 35-minute processing time. So on a very dark base like a 1, you're only going to be really able to use the B4. You're going to mix this 1:1 for 35 minutes and you're going to mix it with your 9% or your 12%. You're only going to use the 12% if you have a lot of colour build-up, the 9%. When you get up to a level 2, you're going to be able to use both the B4 and the B6. Again, you're going to be mixing 1:1 and you're going to be using your 9% here. Once you get up to a level 3, you can use your B4, your B6 and your B8. You're simply going to use your 9% for the darker bases, your 6% for the lighter bases. Now this product is perfect for freehand, highlighting, whatever you want to do. And you can add your Vitaplex into the product. You can also add in your powder and liquid if you want to go down the freehand route. Now at the moment balayage is still a massive craze and people want this multi-toner effect even on darker bases. So this really does eliminate that need to worry about trying to pre-lighten and tone certain areas. By using the B4 you can give them light browns and toffees, and then you can use a lightener, a bleach or something like the blonde, which I'll link up here, again which will give you the lighter softer tones to give them dimensional colour. This really is a very versatile product and gives stunning results, and I'm going to put a video link below which is from A.S.P which shows you the results that you can achieve. Now don't forget, if you've liked this video, to like, subscribe and hit the notification buttons for more videos.